Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be sharing an operational expense management application that I built using AppSheet and Google Sheets. This application was developed for one of my clients in Indonesia, and it is designed to support field technicians who handle daily operational cash using Indonesian rupiah. The system helps manage the full cash workflow, from cash requests, approvals, and expense tracking, all the way to reporting and reconciliation, in a way that is simple, structured, and easy to monitor. Let me walk you through how the application works. We'll start with the cash request menu. In this menu, a user with the technician role can submit a request for operational cash. This cash is usually used for daily field activities such as transportation, meals, allowances, or other job-related expenses. When submitting a request, the technician is required to select a related work order. This is an important step because it ensures that every cash request is directly linked to a specific job or assignment, which later helps with reporting and auditing. Once the request is submitted, it will be reviewed by a user with a finance staff or cashier role. They can check the amount, verify the work order, and then decide whether to approve or reject the request. After the request is approved, the technician must confirm that the cash has been received. Only after this confirmation, the system will automatically activate the request and move it into the cash inflow menu. Next, we have the cash inflow menu. This menu contains a list of all active cash that technicians are currently holding and using in the field. You can think of this as a live list of ongoing cash advances. From this menu, technicians can start recording their expenses. In this application, expenses are divided into 3 categories: allowance, meal, and operational expenses. This categorization is intentional. Allowance and meal expenses are calculated using different formulas depending on the working zone and the technician's position or role. By separating these expense types, the system can automatically apply the correct calculation logic and reduce manual errors. After technicians finish recording their expenses, the system will automatically generate a cash advance report related to that specific cash inflow. This report is generated in PDF format, based on a predefined template, and can be used directly for documentation and reporting purposes. After that, we move to the cash summary menu. This menu automatically consolidates all financial data, including the total cash received by the technician, the total recorded expenses, and the remaining balance. Everything here is calculated in real time, based on the data entered in the cash inflow. At this stage, the technician reports the cash usage and returns any remaining balance. Once a cash inflow is closed, it is automatically excluded from the active summary, ensuring the data only reflects current operational cash. Finally, we have the report menu. This menu is provided to support formal expense reporting, including documentation and receipts. Technicians can upload soft copy documents in PDF format or photos of physical receipts in JPG format. Reports are submitted per work order, not per individual cash inflow. When a report is uploaded for a specific work order, all related cash inflows linked to that work order will automatically change their status from confirmed to report submitted. This workflow follows the company's internal policy, where reporting must be completed per work order, even if that work order involves multiple active cash inflows. Of course, this logic can be adjusted depending on different company policies or operational needs. Before we wrap up, I'd like to briefly show how this application is structured behind the scenes. This system uses Google Sheets as the main database. All operational data, such as cash requests, cash inflows, expense records, summaries, and reports, are stored in structured tables inside Google Sheets. Each table represents a specific part of the workflow, which allows the system to stay organized and consistent. AppSheet then connects to these tables to handle user access, approvals, calculations, automation, and PDF report generation. By using Google Sheets as the backend, the system remains transparent, flexible, and easy to maintain, while still supporting a complete operational workflow. If you have questions, ideas, or would like to know how this system could be adapted to your own operational process, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.